Hello my lovelies and welcome back to my channel. So this week's theme was Plaid, hosted by Handy Helper. She is the youngest addition to our YouTubers group, so show some love. She has a new channel. All the links will be down below. I'm going to be showing you, of course, how I'm going to achieve this beautiful manicure. So I'm putting on some peel off base coat. This one is from Peggy Sage. It's a French brand. And then I'm going to be using this beautiful luscious royal green from Essence. I picked this up when I went to Germany during the Christmas period. Love the Essence polishes, so pigmented. And for my white nails, I'm going to use White Night. It's a stamping polish, but you can also use it as a nail polish if you want to. It's really thick though. And then Little Undine's water-based top coat, because I have decided to start using this to not smudge my designs when I don't want to keep them on for long. So I'm using Born Pretty's plate BPL 013 for the plaid image. It has other plaid images as well, but I really like this diagonal crisscross feel. Here I wanted to show you how this polish goes on in one coat, and it's opaque. It's beautiful. It dries kind of matte, but when you put the top coat on, it really shines. This is really messy, but I wanted to show you how I clean up White Night with tons of acetone, and that's because it's really thick and it's really pigmented, so it does stick to your cuticles. The image picked up really well, but the only thing I find that's really hard with fine lines is stamping without having squiggly lines, and it took me a few tries on the second nail. The first nail was right away, but the second nail made me sweat. So then the white nails, I thought, whoop, too plain, and I found this gorgeous Bon Pretty pearlescent stamping polish that I had and felt that, hey, this really matches with my green nails. So that came out perfect. And then, having cleaned up everything, I'm showing you how the Little Undine does not smudge the white stamping polish at all. I'm putting on some cuticle oil from Glisten and Glow to hydrate my cuticles after all of that acetone and cleanup. So here's the final look. Hope you like it. And up next, I have pictures of the ladies' manicures. All the links will be down below. Please go check out Handy Helper, because she is really talented and she's pretty young. So, hey girl, hey. Welcome to all my new subscribers. Please stay tuned for more videos. Until next time, stay beautifully polished. Bye.